Hello, welcome back once again. Today we have another interesting limit. Limit as x is approaching infinity of 1 plus 1 all over 3x whole raised to the power of x. If we make direct substitution, we get the following: 1 plus 1 all over 3 times infinity, that will give us infinity, right? Whole raised to the power of infinity. We know 1 over infinity is 0. 0 plus 1, that will give us 1, then raised to the power of infinity. Many may think that the answer to this is 1, because 1 raised to the power of anything is 1. But this is not true. 1 to the power of infinity is indeterminate. Okay? Now, let's see how we can approach this problem. Now, in this video, I'll be showing you guys 2 different ways on how to solve this problem. Let's start with the first one, using the fact that limit as x is approaching infinity of 1 plus 1 over x, right, raised to the power of x is equal to a, which is a last number. Now take a look at these 2 limits, compare both sides. We can see that we have 3x here, but here we have x. Then let's think about making a substitution. We're going to let 3x equals t. So this implies from here that x is equal to t divided by 3. Now we make the substitution, so we get limit as t is approaching. Now, if x is approaching infinity, t is approaching 3 times infinity, which is infinity. And here we're going to have 1 plus 1 all over t, right? Then x, raised to the power of x, will become raised to the power of t all over 3. Now we can write this as limit as t is approaching infinity. So this here is going to be same as 1 plus 1 over t, right? Then raised to the power of t here. And then we're going to have to the power of 1 over 3. We know t times 1 over 3 will give us this t all over 3. Now look at this. This limit has bumped up, right? We can see if you take the limit of this, which is in the big bracket, we get e. So this implies from here that our answer is going to be e, then raised to the power of this 1 all over 3, right? Which is giving us the cube root of e. So this right over here is our answer. Okay? Now, another way we can solve this problem, let's call this limit I, which is equal to limit as x is approaching infinity. Then we have 1 plus, here we have 1 over 3x, then raised to the power of x. Okay? Okay, now, let us first start with a substitution. So, we're going to let 1 all over 3x equals t. You get the idea? So, if you cross multiply, we get tx, 3xt is equal to 1, right? Which also implies that x is also equal to 1 over 3t. Interesting. Okay? So our I is going to be equal to limit as x is approaching infinity, t, that is t, right? So t, sorry for that. So if x is approaching infinity, t will be approaching 1 over 3 times infinity, which is 1 over infinity, which is 0. Therefore, t is approaching 0. And here, we're going to have the following. 1 plus, now 1 over 3x here is equal to t, right? So we have t here, raised to the power of x. X here is 1 over 3t. Now, the next thing to do here is to take the log on both sides. So here, ln of I is equal to, we can write it as limit as t is approaching 0, then the ln inside. So we get the ln of 1 plus t, then raised to the power of 1 over 3t. With the property of logarithm, this power comes down, right? So we get this is equal to limit as t is approaching 0. So this is going to be 1 over 3t times ln of 1 plus t is same as ln of 1 plus t, right? Then divided by 3t. Now, we can make use of the L'Hopital's rule, okay? You know the L'Hopital's rule, when we have the limit as x is approaching a of f of x divided by another function of x, then it is same as limit as x is approaching a of f prime of x divided by h prime of x. I know we're very familiar with this, right? This is the L'Hopital's rule. So if you differentiate ln of 1 plus t, that is going to give us 1 all over 1 plus t, right? If you differentiate the bottom, 3t, that will give us only 3. That is cool. So ln of I is going to be equal to limit as t is approaching 0. So up here, if you differentiate this, we get 1 all over 1 plus t. Then divided by here. If you differentiate this with respect to t, we get just 3. Now make your direct substitution from here. We get 1 all over 1 plus 0 divided by 3. And this is giving us 1 over 3. So we have this equation, ln of I is equal to 1 over 3. And we know what happens when we take the common base of e on both sides of this equation. So the e and the ln get cancelled, and here we have I is equal to e raised to the power of 1 over 3, which is equal to the cube root of e. Thank you for watching. Please, if you really enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also like, comment, and share.